There. We end up shutting the phone off, trying to get it out of the darn holder. We got her locked in there so darn tight. And I broke the tab off that releases it. And I think it's, and the old thingy's giving it up. And the drink tray, it was kind of in here when I got it. Yeah, okay, now. Yeah, okay, so looks like we're gonna get some pliers for that. So, that went pretty good. Actually fired right up. Didn't expect it not to, really, but shag carpet on the ceiling. You got shag carpet in your banana truck? Someday we might I got another seat like this. I might put it in. I don't know. I think I do. I don't know. It's not even in right. It's just there. Kind of bolted down, but it's there. Had these wheels for like long time tires, 20, 30 years. There are real 80s Mickey Thompsons. These tires are late model, but the wheels, I've had both sets of wheels for probably 40 years at least. And got some flares. I'm not sure if I'm going to mess with these. I might just kind of like recolor them. Looks like somebody tried to fix up this old thing back in the 80s or something, and tag on it was it's on the front. We got a blue tag from June. Yeah, I don't see it. But that was on the back when I got it. So, sometime in the 80s. Can't remember when the blue plate came out, but they were black before that. Yeah, oh, there's numbers at the top there. I don't know. It's gonna focus. Focus, focus. All right. (2003) it looks like was the last time it ran, or it was plated. Oops. So these mirrors, these are off like side by side or something. They're just some generic mirrors, and they're actually attached to the steel plate there that you can see it behind it there. The steel plate, there's two of them plates, one on the inside and one on the outside, and they're sandwiching through the old mirror hole in the door that was there previously. So, didn't get to use it this year. My plow guy came by whenever I needed him, so backup Bronco plow thing is not, it runs and all, but I didn't need to do anything with it. More on the 38 later. Some of that stuff, who knows? Got a Quigley up there. Let's see if it'll let me zoom in. Got a stretch Quigley there with the V10. If anybody wants a amphibious carcass, there should be some. It's set up for golf cart wheels. Actually, it's set up for Ford 4.5 on 5. Zumos. Let me know what you think in the comments. It's like my first video actually talking on, I think. Nope, second one. I did this one a while back. So, all the fancy stuff later.